Number 7. It is written in Tehillim 103:1. Bless HaShem, O my soul, and let all of my innermost being bless His holy name. Okay, so let's see commentary 31. In the context of this halacha, the verse is understood as teaching that when the blessing HaShem, all of one's body must be in a fitting state to participate in the acts of blessing. That's exactly what we are talking about before. Like he has to do like with everything is clean, mouth and other things. Since the person must bless Hashem with participation of all of his inner organs, interesting, it is forbidden to recite any blessing until he has cleansed his inner organs of the excrement and urine. So it's not a good thing just because I have to go to the bathroom. No. It's actually halacha to go and to the bathroom before making all these blessings. In the morning when one arises, one usually must attend to his needs, defecate, or at least urinate. Therefore, he should not recite the blessing al Netilas Yadayim at the time he washes his hands. So that's the explanation. Until after he cleansed himself. After relieving himself, he should wash his hands second time. Okay, so first, he washes while he's in the bed, so he does not say any blessings. Right? Then he takes this cup and go to pour out the water, and he goes to the bathroom. Right? That's the sequence of events. And then he recites the blessing al Netilas Yadayim, but as we said, it's when he's 100% ready.
Okay, so here's the thing, right? Like this was asked to me, like sometimes like I'll be able to relieve myself, in the morning. Mm-hmm. Sometimes not. Sometimes I'm an evening guy. Everybody has their own schedule. I'm not young anymore. I can't I did read that it helps to get up and sit down and get up and sit down.
Yes, that's a Shulchan Aruch. Yes.
Is that something you do?
No, I have exactly the same situation. So, but at least number one is enough. So if you don't have an urge, if you don't feel the need to go number two, that's okay also.
Right. Okay.
But it's
you shouldn't force yourself.
No. God forbid. No.
Don't force yourself. Right?
Yes. No force. But number one for sure you can go.
Okay. That's no problem.
Okay, so that's exactly what's same. And just since we're on this topic, I just want to add. So the same applies before praying. So in the morning it's obvious, but when you pray at home or whatever in the minyan, make sure that wash your hands. But even more important than this, make sure that you don't need to go to the bathroom.
Right.
Because
I remember I was in yeshiva. I used to rush to go to the bathroom before our
minyan started. Yes. That's a proper way. It's because if God forbid somebody prays and he has the urge to go to the bathroom. It says as they in the Shemaim they consider him as his sacrifice to the idol. No less, no more.
Okay.
So that's how serious it is, and I accept it upon myself. It's one of the things that I accepted. There is a custom to accept things on Rosh Hashanah, New Year's. Some things, and that's one of the things that I accepted upon myself, many years ago. 5 years, 4 years, I don't remember. So to make sure that I explicitly go to the bathroom, I don't want it, just make sure, do everything that depends on you.
Right.
I went to the bathroom before Mincha. If it works, then it doesn't matter. But at least I know that I did my part. So they say if you're in the middle of Shmona Esrei and you have the urge, so it's a different story. So it was not up to you. So your part to make sure that you don't want to go before they start.
Before you go.
That's
so prepare yourself before. Whatever happens during, that's another story.
Yes.
So what do you do if it happens during? Do you finish it and then
finish? They say finish
okay.
and then go. Yes. Okay. Unless look, but on another hand, if you cannot hold,
no, then you gotta go.
Absolutely. Yes, that in this case you have to go. You have to stop and you attend your needs, because it's also in Shulchan Aruch that you cannot hold, and there are a few reasons, because a man can become sterile, right, if he holds some others. So it's
So basically, they're saying, okay, so on the one hand, make your effort to do your hishtadlut when it comes to relieving yourself.
Correct.
Right?
Yes.
You do that, you're in the clear.
Yes.
Once you go and then you pray and something happens, you did what you had to do. It just happened that at that particular moment, your Yetzirah said, you know what, you're going to want to go now.
Yes. Yeah, that's exactly.
So, okay, interesting. All right. Okay. All right, good to know, because I've had those situations. I'm like, oh, great. What do I do?
I mean, exactly. Yes, that's very important. And those things are not details. Don't call them details, because it's actually halachah.
Right.
You understand? Okay. So continue. Torah 2. Some authorities advise that one should wait to recite the blessing until he is ready to begin his prayers, and then recite it along with the entire sequence of the morning blessing. Mishnah Brura is exactly what we were discussing today.
Right.
So you dress, you're in your whatever, in your shoes, and okay, then you can say all the blessing. Okay. So 1 second, let me go a little up. So it says, and then recite blessing Al Netilas Yadayim, the blessing Asher Yotzer, as a sequence it says in our Siddur, who has fashioned man, the blessing of the study of the Torah. So it follows right after Asher Yotzer. So Asher Yotzer, that's what we say after the bathroom. 33 commentary. See below Siman 7. That laws pertaining to recitation of the blessing and study of the Torah. Okay, so we're going to get it. So basically, before we got to it, so you're not allowed to study Torah. Study means to say out loud, right? Not only thinking is not considered to be study in this context, but to say out loud any verses from the Torah. So that's until you say blessings on the Torah.
Right. Okay.
So that's in our Siddur. Just follow the Siddur, and for example, and it says in Shulchan Aruch, it says the big Shulchan. This is Kitzur. The big Shulchan Aruch says, so what you're not allowed to study. You're not allowed to study written Torah, right, and oral Torah, and midrashim. Also, I think it's midrashim. Okay, meaning all of these carbonos, even you cannot study.
You cannot study.
Okay, all right.